This is example 3, standard order of views. We begin right here on this corner. Start right there. This is going to be the front view. I'll draw this L first, and then I'll draw these two vertical planes that are alongside of it. So click on the line command. I'm going to turn my snap mode on, and I have my snap set to 1 unit for snap spacing and a grid spacing of 1. Make sure that's turned on, have it blue. And then I'm going to turn off my object snap. So I'll go straight up 2 units, over 2, up 2. Create this plane here. And then next to it, from this point I'll go over 2, down 4, and then create that vertical plane there. On this endpoint, go 2 jumps, over 2 jumps, and that completes my front view. Next I'll do the right hand side view. It'll be over here. You'll see 2 profile planes, this plane and that plane. So I'll go 2 units away. The height will be the same, which is going to be 4. My width will be 4, or depth, excuse me, the depth will be 4, because 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4 jumps. That will be the outline of the right side. Oops. I made a mistake. I gotta add a unit to it. You can see if I select this grip right here, I can actually pull that line over 1 unit. And then these lines right here I can actually extend by just grabbing the endpoint of the grips and then connecting them. Click on the line command again and go from midpoint to midpoint, and that'll give me my right side view. Next I'll go to the top. So from this corner I'll go straight up 2 jumps. The width stays the same, the depth will be the same. Depth is going to be 4. That's going to be the outline. I'll need to make some modifications because this little cutout right here. And the way that you can do that is by clicking on the line, grabbing the grip, and pulling it back 2 jumps. We'll do the same thing over here. Click on that endpoint, 2 jumps, and then just start my line command, just like that there. And that's that cutout here. Next I'm going to create this lower horizontal plane right here, and that's just 2 by 2. You can see that that plane matches up with that top view. Alright, next is my left side view, and it's actually the same exact outline as the right side view. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy it. I'll select it and then go to the Modify Tool panel, click on the Copy command. Click on this endpoint for my base point. Jump over 2, oops, place it, and then I'm going to create my left side view by drawing this little cutout here. You'll see it from the midpoint on the top, go down 2, and then over 2. And that's all you have to do for that left side view. It's just that cutout here, and we're looking at it from this side. So the back view will be the same outline as the front. And what I'm going to do is copy the outline. So I'm going to go to Copy, Base Point, drag it over 2 spaces away from the left side view. And that's actually the back view. That's just one big huge plane in the back. And then lastly is the bottom view. The bottom view is going to be a mirror image of the top view. So if I select the object and click on the mirror command on the Modify Tool panel, it's going to ask me next for a mirror point, which would be the midpoint of this figure. I just click anywhere along that line. And I'm going to say no, so I can select no, and it'll keep that figure up there. The only thing left I need to do is just delete these lines, and that will complete the standard order of views for example 3.